Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bittrex Exchange, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Bittrex Exchange into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Bittrex website link in the search results. Once the site is loaded, locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password following the given security guidelines. Ensure you re-enter the password to confirm it. Next, read the terms of service and privacy policy. After reading, check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button to submit your registration. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Bittrex. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Bittrex website and log in using your email and password. You will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for additional security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, typically via an authenticator app. Follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Now, log into your Bittrex account. Upon logging in, you may need to complete identity verification. Navigate to the Settings or Account Verification section. Provide the necessary personal information and identification documents required for verification. Submit the documents and wait for Bittrex to review your application. Once your account is verified, you can start funding your Bittrex account. Go to the Wallets section to see available cryptocurrencies. Select the currency you wish to deposit. Click on Deposit next to the selected currency. Copy the deposit address provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.